Hi there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to create a selective color effect in Photoshop. It's a fantastic technique to make certain colors pop while turning the rest into black and white. To get started, open your image in Photoshop. Choose a photo with distinct colors you want to emphasize. Next, duplicate your image layer by right-clicking on it and select Duplicate Layer. This will allow us to work non-destructively. Now select the duplicated layer and go to Image. Here, hover your mouse to Adjustments and select Desaturate. This will turn the layer into black and white. With the duplicate layer selected, click on the layer mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Here, this adds a layer mask to the black and white layer. Select the brush tool from the toolbar and make sure your foreground color is set to white. Now, here, make the foreground color set to white. This is crucial for revealing the selective color effect. Now, use the brush tool to paint over the areas of your image where you want to retain color. This will reveal the original color from the layer beneath. For example, I want to reveal her eyes because it is captivating. So let's reveal her eyes. Like that. And also her hair. Let's resize the brush. Okay. And let's brush the hair part. So you can adjust the brush opacity and hardness to control how the color effect blends in. A lower opacity will create a more subtle effect. And that's it. You now know how to create a selective color effect in Photoshop. It's a simple yet powerful technique to make your subject stand out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll have fun experimenting with selective color in your photos. Remember, the key is to be creative and use it to enhance your images. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create a selective color effect in Photoshop. See you on my next video.